So for the next week, 2 weeks, I'll be using my motorcycle for work. So what we're going to do is we're going to install my box I built that can hold all my supplies. So as you can see here, here's the rack I built for the bike. It's a pretty big steel, and it can hold a lot of weight. Let me get back here a little bit. There you go. Now you can see a good picture of it. So off we go. So what I built was a box that goes on the back. And I used it to go camping up in Canada, and it held all my gear. So here's the lid. And we'll set that down. And then here's the box. Okay. Oh, there's the box. And since I don't have a passenger, I let it extend over the seat some. So we'll go ahead and install the box. All right, line it up. Install the box. Pull it forward a little bit. There you go. And then we use some self-tapping screws. You got a little hole here, a little hole here. There we go. 2 on the other side. 1 there. 1 there. All right, now we get the lid. So what we have is 2 pins. This one pin never really lines up. And there you go. There's a lid, a white box on the back of a motorcycle. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.